Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see Verizon 5G home internet versus cable internet, which is better for speed, price and reliability. If Verizon Fios fiber is available at your address, it's the best choice for speed, reliability and value in almost every aspect. If Fios isn't available, Verizon 5G home internet is a strong, hassle-free alternative. Otherwise, cable is your fallback for coverage and consistency. Speed, how fast do you want to go? Verizon 5G home internet is pretty impressive for wireless option. You will see download speed anywhere from 300 Mbps up to 1000 Mbps if you are in a strong coverage area. Uploads are solid too, but not as fast as fiber. Cable internet, think Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox. You can get anything from 25 Mbps to 2000 Mbps down, depending on your plan and where you live. Upload speeds are usually much lower. If you are uploading big files or doing lots of video calls, you might notice. Verizon Fios fiber is the gold standard. If you can get it, download and upload speed are the same. That's called symmetrical, and you can get up to 2.3 Gbps. That's overkill for most people, but it's amazing for gamer, remote workers, or big families. If you want the absolute fastest and most reliable speeds, Fios wins. 5G home is great if you are in a good spot for 5G. Cable is solid, but uploads can be a pain if you are a heavy users. Price, what's it going to cost me? Verizon 5G home internet $50 to $70 per month. No contract, no equipment or installation fees, and unlimited data. You can even lock in your price up to 3 years. Super simple. Cable internet can start as low as $20 per month for basic plans, but the price usually jumps after the first year. Watch out for equipment fees, installation charges, and sometimes data caps. Verizon Fios start at $35 per month for 300 Mbps, $59.99 for 500 Mbps, and $64.99 for gigabit speeds. No contract, unlimited data, and the equipment is included. Bottom line, Verizon 5G Home Fios both keeps things simple, no hidden fees or contract. Cable can be cheaper at first, but the price often creeps up, and you might get hit with extra fees. Reliability. Will it actually work when I need it? Verizon 5G home internet, super easy to set up, just plug in the box and go. But since it's wireless, your speed might dip during storms, network congestion, or if your building blocks the signal. Cable internet, wired means steady and reliable. You will almost always get the speed you pay for, unless your whole neighborhood is streaming at the same time. Verizon Fios fiber is king here. Rock solid, super low latency, and almost never goes down. If you walk from home or need your internet to just walk, this is the one. Bottom line, Fuse is the most reliable, followed by cable. 5G home is great if you have a strong signal, but it's wireless, so there's a bit more unpredictability. Coverage, can I even get it? Fios, only available in the Northeast and a handful of cities. If you can get it, you are lucky. Verizon 5G Home, expanding fast, especially in cities and suburbs. Check your address on Verizon sites. Cable, pretty much everywhere, even in most rural areas. Which should you choose? If you can get Verizon Fuse, go for it. It's the fastest, most reliable, and has a fair pricing. If you can't get Fuse, but you are in a city with a strong 5G, Verizon 5G home internet is a fantastic, hassle-free alternative with unlimited data and no contract. If you are in a rural area or want a bundled TV package, cable internet is your best bet. It's reliable, widely available, and you can often bundle with TV or phone. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.